Hey everyone, Dogmatic71 here, and welcome to Dogmatic DIY. Today, you're probably going to hear an echo because I'm in a bathroom here, so I'm trying not to talk too loud where that echo is prominent in this video. But what I'm going to do is I'm renovating my bathroom, so I'm going to replace my fan. Hopefully, this new motor will be quieter than the old one. It's a Brown EC60 kit, I guess it's called. And as you can see, I'm doing my shower, so it painted the ceiling, so I figured what I can do is replace the fan. So as you can see, there's one screw there, and then it kind of clips in there, and it's a plug-in. So that plug is actually connected to the switch, right? So let's go over here. So I'll turn it on, and you'll be able to see how loud it is. So I'll move this up close. So that's how close it is. So first thing, what I'm going to do, once you shut it off, sorry that I'm moving too much here. I did just step down one of my rollers here. Well, once you shut it off at the switch, the power's off, right? And you only have to unplug that plug, right? And then the one screw, let's see if we get it. Right there, see there's a little one screw there, and then that's all that holds that whole thing in. So I'm going to unscrew that and then unplug it and take that out, and I'll show you. Okay, so you can see that it was just a plug and one screw, and then it has the two little hooks. So now what you'll see, that's all it is the plug, the wiring, and then kind of like a little cylinder thing where it goes out and exhausts outside. So now I'm going to hook this back in. I'll unpackage it so we can see. Let me unpackage it here. I'll need both hands. Now I forgot to show you, as I already had it off, this was the original fan. And to get it off, they have these clips. What you would do is you pull this down, and then you'd see these clips, and then you would pinch them. See, just pinch them, and they would come out. Like, let's see. See, there's a hole here and a hole here, and you pinch them to get this hook inside, and then it holds it, and then you can push this up until it's flush with the ceiling, right? Or it's right against the ceiling. So this is the new one, it's similar. See, you have these here, and you just pinch them to get this. And that's all it is. It's just a fan like that. Get the plug, you put your screw in. So I'm going to hook that in and then screw it in, and then we'll come back. Okay, I'm back now. So I got this portion in, as you can see, it's in. Now, unfortunately, I didn't know what the heck size it was. So as you can see, this is a little bit smaller than the other one that was in here. And as if you can see, I had to drill the hole because the hole wasn't in the same spot as the other one, unfortunately. But it's in, and you can tell like this doesn't touch the cylinder, as I made sure. Where this hooks, as you can see, I had to create this a little bit bigger. This side, can you see it? This side is just completely open anyways to the exhaust, the out. So let's go turn it on. And hopefully you can hear the difference. How much quieter it is. It is quieter. It is quieter, so that's good. Now, I'm going to put this on and see. Hopefully it covers the hole since it is smaller. And we'll come right back. Okay, I got it in. And it fits, just barely fits. I'm not gonna use this lid anyways. As in a new video, I'm gonna show you. I'm going to put this in. Show you how to install this with a Bluetooth speaker in it. So I just wanted to show you that you take the clips and you just squeeze them together, put them in that slot, and that's it. And then turn it on. And there you go. Okay. So if you got any questions, leave in the comment section below. Hit that like and subscribe button. Hit that notification so you know when I post another video. And we'll talk to you later. Hey everyone, Dogmatic71 here, and welcome to Dogmatic DIY. Today I'm going to install the Broan NuTone FG800 SPK. It is a Bluetooth speaker in it with a light and everything. In my previous video, you remember I put in the new fan. So with that lid or that cover, and today I'm going to show you how to put this one in. It's pretty easy, as you know the plug in the last video that you plug it in here. So you unplug that, you plug this one in first, and then you plug the fan into this. And then when you turn it on, it has the light, it has the Bluetooth speaker in it and everything. That's your little speaker there. And then you can connect your Bluetooth to it. So I'm going to hook this up nice and easy. Now, you notice what it did is based on the size, they give you those little bendy things that go in the slots for the cover. They give you a smaller one here, and then give you a larger one based on, I guess, how this is recessed in, right? So I'm going to put the big one in because when I put that one in, it was kind of harder to push it in because they're not very big. So I'm going to replace these small ones that are here with these big ones that it came with. And then we're going to plug it in and see how it works. Be right back. Hey everyone, Dogmatic71 here, and welcome to Dogmatic DIY. Today, I'm going to install the Broan NuTone, get rid of the glare, Broan NuTone FG800 SPK. That's a fan cover with a Bluetooth speaker in it. I'll show you kind of what it looks like here. It has a light, has a speaker, and fan cover. In my previous video, you know, I put in the fan here, and then I had this cover. Now, a good thing about this cover is it came with two different size of these little bendy hooks that go into the fan that you can push up and then adjust it. Well, you got the shorter ones and you have longer ones. Well, when I put this cover on, they barely snapped in, because as you can see that they got some bend spots. So when you do, let's see if I can bend it. It's a little stiffer, but this one here, as you can see, it's bent. So once it gets to this part, it slides up. Well, if it's the fan's not is recessed too far up in the ceiling,
then it makes it harder. And now it was hard for me to get it. I got it in, but just barely. Having two different sizes here, this one here will slide up much easier with longer ones. And how you get these in and out, because it came actually, the small ones were in. I'll see if I can do this with one hand. But as you can see is, it's a ring, right? But it's double wide, see? Hold on, let me see. So it's hard to get by just putting it in there. So I tried to slide the one part in first. And then slide it on. And there, see, it just slid between. And now it's in there and it's harder to get out. Hopefully it's focused in there. So what I'm gonna do is, how this is powered is, remember how the fan motor
was plugged in right there, right? So what you do is you oh, sorry, I moved too quick here. You unplug that, you plug this in first, and then you plug the fan motor into that. And then when you turn it on, this has a light and it has the speaker. Now, I'm not sure if I really need the light, so I might have to take this part. I'm going to see how bright it is with this light, as I already have enough lights in here, but I will see, because this light's only really on when you're taking a shower anyway. So I'm going to take a look and see how bright it is, and maybe I'll take the light out later. But I'm going to hook this up and then I'll come back. Okay, so I'm going to show you. Sorry, I'm moving here and you don't see much, but let's see if I can show you. See how that's plugged in there? That's plugged in here, and then try to keep the wire out of the way from everything. And these are the long clips, right? That were bent. See how? Let's see if I can see. See, and then you bend them. See, to get in there, and then I'm going to slowly push it up. But see, that's as far as it goes up. So these long clips are not going to be any good for me. So I'm going to pull this down. So you slowly, let's see if I can do it. Slowly do it. Pull it down. Sorry about the jiggly of there. See that there's the one bend here, and I'm going to put in the smaller clips and then I'll come back. So it's a good opportunity to show you how to remove these. See, now just slide it away until you get to the single part, and of course this is stuck, but nice and easy like that. See, and that's it. You just slide it until the loop's passed, and then it just comes right out. And then I'll put the other ones in, and then I'll pop it back up, and then I'll show you. Okay, let me get back up on this ladder. See if you can see. As you can see now, I had to move the ladder to get in there because there's not as much room. Get your fingers in there. See, it's clipped. See if I can get my finger there. See right there, I'm touching. It's clipped on. So then you should just be able to push it up, and there you go. See, now it's flush. You can just adjust it so it covers the holes, and there you're good. So now I'm gonna turn it on. And there you go. So let me see if I can share my screen. I might not be able to do that. But what it does is it'll pop up as a fan. See if I can do something here. 1 second. Okay, so what I did is I just took a screenshot. It says fan speaker. You'll be able to see it and it'll pop up. And then you just connect your phone to it and you're good. Now, one thing you want to do is there's a piece of plastic covering the light and the speaker. When I first tried it out, it was wasn't very loud. I'm like, wonder why this isn't very loud. As soon as I pulled that plastic piece off, it was loud. So if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. Hit that like and subscribe button. Hit the bell to be notified when I post another video. We'll talk to you later.